Have you ever wondered how a caipirinha is made? Or better yet, do you want to know exactly what a caipirinha is? Stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you about it right now. Hey, aí pessoal, what's up everyone? My name is Rui and today I'm gonna teach you how to make the wonderful, the classic, the original caipirinha. There are many ideas and inventions out there, but for the original caipirinha recipe you only need 3 ingredients: lime, sugar and cachaça. At the end of the video I'll give you a tip on how to make caipirinha without cachaça. So let's come to Brazil!
Come to Brazil, come to Brazil, come to Brazil, come to Brazil, Brazil.
The classic caipirinha is the mother of Brazilian drinks, recognized worldwide. This refreshing and tasty drink is perfect for any part with your amigos or friends, in the Brazilian summer, at the beach, and wherever else you can imagine. It's part of our daily life, and we Brazilians know about caipirinha even before we're legally allowed to drink, which here is at 18 years old. Caipirinha, pronounced caipirinha, is Brazilian national cocktail. It's made with cachaça, a Brazilian distilled liquid made from the fermentation of raw sugarcane juice. Wait a minute. Are you still not subscribed to my channel? Come on guys, subscribe now so you don't miss any videos, and go ahead and give that sneaky little like. For me, please. Your Brazilian friend. But no more delays, let's get right to it because I can't wait to drink. Making your caipirinha is super easy. Let's go step by step. Remember that you can only drink if you're legal age. Minors should not consume alcoholic beverages, so let's go! Choose lime with smooth skin. Cut in half and then in half again, removing the white core. That's what makes just bitter. Then cut again in half. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar for more friction. Gently muddle, just to extract the juice. Ice to fill the glass. 2 shots of cachaça and stir with a spoon. And it's pronto, or done. Oh, and you don't have cachaça? That's okay, no problem. There's another drink called caipirosca, which is caipirinha made with vodka. It's also very tasty, but let's agree, with cachaça is much better. Cheers, or as we say in Portuguese, saúde! I'll be going now and don't forget, please come to Brazil! And for those of you who want to know exactly what cachaça is, in this beautiful, perfect, cool video, I'll explain to you in detail what this thing called cachaça that we love so much about. Click now, I'll see you there. Go, come on, click.